Say hi, Mommy.
Teachy, Mommy.
Say I love you, Mommy.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Say I miss you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mama.
Say I'm going to see you soon, Mommy. Can you say hi to Big? Say hi, Big.
A bag.
Say hi, Aunt Hannah.
Hi, Nana.
How about Pop? Can you say hi to Pop? Say hi, Pop. Say hi, Pop.
Big.
Yep. What is it?
Back.
I see.
Gak.
Are you having fun today? You like it over here? Yeah, you having a fun time, huh? You like playing with the little dog? What's his name?
Doggy.
Is Doggy? What's the cat's name?
Cat.
The cat? What's the bird's name? Hey, can you say bird? Where is the bird?
Here.
Right there. There's the bird. Right there. It is. And what's your name? Kona? Are you a cute little boy? Do you love a Biggie?
Big.
You say hi, Biggie. You say hi, Biggie. Say I love you, Biggie. You say I love you, Biggie. You're on TV, on camera. Look at the camera.